Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will tell you how you can fix Cash App invalid card number. To fix this issue, what you have to do, just open your Cash App from your device, then log in with your account. After logging in, go to Cash App Help Center and explain your problem, write your card number issue, and they will reply your mail, and they will solve this issue, um, and they will tell you to what to do and follow their instructions to solve this issue. And that's how you can fix the issue of your invalid card number. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more Cash App tips.